Hi guys, it's Miss Rodriguez. I'm going to do the video on circuits that I told you guys I was going to do. So before we left, we were supposed to do a lab showing series and parallel circuits. So today we're going to build those so you can kind of see what they're like. This is my son, Aiden Rodriguez. I know you guys have heard me talk about him. He is a 7th grader, so he's going to help me. He already knows all about this stuff, so he'll be a good help. So I don't know if we have a good view, but I'm going to kind of show you what we have here. So first we have our battery. Our battery is what is holding the electrons in it. Next we have, my daughter's throwing our cookies at my son. Next we have a battery holder, which is made out of metal, so it's a good conductor for the electrons to travel through. We have wires. The wires are surrounded by plastic, which we know is a good insulator so we don't get shocked. And then inside, the wires are made out of metal so the electrons can travel through. My kids are being crazy, but I thought they would entertain you. Then we have this just holds on to the light bulbs. So the light bulb is what we are going to, what the electrons are going to travel through and turn on. You can tell that the electron, here's my daughter Angelina, she made a special appearance. So these are made out of metal so that the electrons can travel through, but the base is made out of plastic, which we know is an insulator, okay? So the first circuit we are going to make is a series circuit. And that means, remember when I say circuit, that's another word for circle, right? That's where the word derives from. So you can see that we only have one circle here. I don't know if is it better if we move it back? Okay. So we only have one circuit for it to travel through. So my kids are going to go ahead and put this series circuit together. Remember, we also talked about it being like Christmas lights. That Christmas lights are all on one circuit, and that is the series circuit. So hopefully our light bulbs light. Okay, so here we go. Go, kids, go!
Jack's quiet.
That's my dog.
Did you say that's your daughter?
Dog. That would
Pretty
be
sure
weird
you
if
said
it was
daughter.
you.
What? What?
Oh, I thought my phone buzzed.
My phone's upstairs.
Why is this one so weird?
So they're connecting so that all the metal is touching. Okay. Aiden, could you shut the shades?
Get up.
You can't really see too much. Hopefully you could tell that the whole circuit is connected. It's all traveling through the wire so that the electrons are going from one side to the other. Let's see here. You can see lightly, barely, that the light bulb is lit. Okay. So I don't know if you guys can see that. So this is what we would call the series circuit. Next, we're going to go ahead and do the parallel circuit. So the parallel circuit means that it has two circles or two circuits for it to go through. The one thing about a series circuit, my dog's looking outside. The one thing about a series circuit that is not good is that if one light bulb goes out, then none of the light bulbs will work, right? And we talked about that with Christmas lights, how we get really frustrated if one light goes out. For the parallel circuit, there are two circuits or two circles for them to travel through. Aiden, can you give me another wire? Unfortunately, the light bulbs aren't working all that great, but these are the only ones that I brought, so this is what we're going to use. So you see here, I've got one circuit or one circle and one light, okay? Next, we're going to go ahead, Angelina, connect that to here. We're going to create our second circuit. So a parallel circuit has more than one circuit or more than one path for the electrons to flow. So I'm going to connect it to this, and then we'll go ahead and connect it. And you can see here that we have two circles or two circuits, okay? More than one pathway. I hope you guys are all doing good. I hope that we could do this together. with light bulbs that will shine a little bit brighter. Angelina's got it working amazingly here. So I miss you all, and hopefully I'll make some more videos for you. Aiden, you're amazing too. I'm sorry. Say goodbye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye.